Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your hair smooth at home. Achieving smooth hair starts with the right foundation. Begin by washing your hair thoroughly with a shampoo and conditioner designed for your hair type. After rinsing, gently towel dry your hair, ensuring it remains slightly damp. This initial step is crucial for preparing your hair to absorb products effectively and achieve that desired sleek look. Once your hair is damp, it's time for product application. Start with a small, pea-sized amount of leave-in conditioner, distributing it evenly through your hair. Follow this with a dime-sized amount of a smoothing serum or lightweight hair oil. Focus on applying these products from the mid-lengths down to the ends, avoiding the roots to prevent greasiness. This helps to tame frizz and add shine.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation, just like we want smooth hair, we also want a fresh ride. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The way you dry your hair significantly impacts its smoothness. Instead of rough towel drying, use a microfiber towel to gently blot excess water, which minimizes frizz. If blow drying, opt for a cool or medium heat setting and use a diffuser attachment. As you dry, gently brush your hair downwards with a paddle brush, following the direction of the airflow. This technique helps to align hair cuticles for a smoother finish. To lock in that smooth look, a few finishing touches are key. A light mist of finishing spray can provide hold without stiffness and add a touch of extra shine. Once styled, try to avoid touching your hair too much, as this can disrupt the cuticle and cause frizz. For overnight maintenance, consider sleeping on a silk pillowcase. It reduces friction and helps keep your hair smooth until morning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.